Having a Facebook chat into your e-commerce website could be helpful to increase conversion rate and also customers retention. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can integrate your Facebook chat for free into your website. So regardless if you are using WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify, or a lot more, this type of process will work in all platforms. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2. Okay, first is you need to go into your fun page and then go to the settings area and click this messaging. Okay, under the messaging part, you have this section here called add messenger to your website. So simply click this one, get started. And by the way, this is not limited to WordPress only. You can use it in any type of CRM platform as long as they support HTML. Okay, so I'm gonna click the next, and click the next for the setup. Here, you want to customize the plugin. Like if you want to add more information in here, you can also do that. Let people chat with your business without logging into Facebook. We want to know their information, so we prefer them to log in. And for the conversation, so I can keep that by default. Maybe I'll just change that later. So click the setup and then click the continue, and then where do you want to add this embed code? I just wanted to add in this website. You can also add multiple websites if you want to save, and then you just basically need to copy paste this code here. Copy, next, and finish. Okay, and then done. So for the live chat, I don't want it to put on the home page, but we want that to be added into our checkout page. Okay, so if the customer has some questions with us, then we can answer it immediately. Okay, let me enable the visual builder in here. And by the way, I'm using Divi for this website. If you want to use Divi on your WordPress website, then you can use my link below to get a discount. So again, I'm gonna add a full width code here and put it there. Next, and save. Again, you can put this one on your home page or on a global module. So if you're running a Divi again, so simply go to the Divi theme editor and then put the code in your footer area instead of putting that in this part. So as you can see here, our live chat is already available. And yeah, we just want that to be visible in this part and maybe here as well. I want that to be visible in the product page. So I'm going to enable the visual builder again. And let's add another full width code, chat, save, and visual. So we have that live chat there. I just don't want them to, like, there's a lot of details in the homepage. I want them to read all the details, and if they like it, they can step forward to the checkout or go to the product page. And yeah, if they have more questions that we haven't answered in the homepage, we're so happy to answer it via live chat. So guys, that's basically how that works. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to message down below. Thank you.